is up, my friends and family? I'm Charmx, and today I'm going to be reacting to Experiment Glowing 1000 Degree Knife versus Firecrackers by Mr. Gear. Now, there's been a lot of controversy revolving around Mr. Gear and these videos in particular, because I guess YouTube's been promoting them like crazy or something like that, and a lot of YouTubers have come out like making parodies and just shitting on Mr. Gear's experiments with the glowing knives. Now, I did react to another one of Mr. Gear's videos where he did a glowing knife with like a Coke bottle, and it was interesting. But there were so many dislikes on it. It was unbelievable. Now, this one also has a very large amount of dislikes. So we're gonna find out. Why so many people hate on this. But yeah, with that being said, the original link's in the description. If you do enjoy this, make sure you go subscribe to Mr. Gear. And with that being said, let's begin. Why do you need so many of them? Wouldn't one just be fine? You have 4 now? No, not the snowman! You monster! Wow, I think that's even more red than the last video. You monster! You killed Christmas. No! No! You just slit Frosty's neck. Or head. Oh, are these the fireworks? Oh, these are sparklers. Oh, it actually works. What the hell is that? Is that shampoo? Okay, that sounds awesome. I'll give you that. Also, is he based in Russia? Because, I mean, what kind of writing is that? That looks like it's Russian or Slavic. Is that a firework? What was that? I think it might have been. I think it is. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Aw. Wait, why would you not try to light it on fire when it's, you know, actually put together as a firework? I mean, what you're doing is just taking out the freaking gunpowder or whatever is inside of it and just lighting that on fire. You should have taken the knife, put the firework down, and put the knife on top of it, and then, you know, see if it exploded or something like that. I mean, it's cool, but nowhere near as cool as I think it could have been. Do you try it again with a different, the different firework? I don't think you do. Are you kidding me? Okay, so he doesn't try it with an actual firework, just putting it down and then putting the knife on top of it, like sideways. I think that would have been much cooler to see. I think you really messed up here. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked this video. I think this could have been much cooler, as I already said, if you just used a firework and put the knife on top of it, not emptying the firework out. But, yeah, anyway, if you did like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, possibly share with a friend. If you're new, subscribe and join the family today. Also, make sure you go subscribe to Mr. Gear if you want more of these 1000 degree knife videos. But, yeah, with that being said, I'll see you guys next time.